In this video, I'll show you how to change the firmware on your Epson Expression Home XP-2150 chipless mode. Once done, your printer will be able to print non-stop, no more ink level resets needed. Here's what you'll need: a laptop or PC running Windows, a USB cable, an activation key, 2 software tools, Inkchip firmware and Inkchip activation. You can download the free Inkchip firmware and Inkchip activation applications from the link provided in the video description. The activation key can be purchased at inkchip.net. Plug the power cable into the back of your printer and into a wall outlet. Connect the printer to your computer using the USB cable. Turn the printer on. Launch the Inkchip firmware application on your computer. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Start, then Yes to begin. The firmware update process will start, and the printer indicators will blink. Once complete, all indicators will blink in sync. Press Cancel, the printer will turn off. Turn your printer back on. Launch the Inkchip activation application. Select your printer and click Activate Online. Purchase the activation key. Go to inkchip.net. Enter coupon code TREPAIR for a discount. Enter your activation key and click OK. Important tips: only use chipless firmware when your CIS continuous ink supply system is installed and filled with ink to prevent air bubbles in the print head. Never update the printer firmware, it will reset to default, and you'll have to recover chipless mode using your recovery code.